Hello all, in this video I am going to solve question number 29 from CBSE class 10 standard math 2026 board paper. The question paper code is 30/1/3. The question goes like this. Two different coins are tossed simultaneously. What is the probability of getting first subdivision at least one head, second subdivision at most one tail, third subdivision a head and a tail? Two different coins are tossed simultaneously. So when two different coins are tossed, the possible outcomes are HH, HT, TH and TT. That is, the number of possible outcomes are 4. The first question is find the probability of at least one head, that is one or more. So the favorable outcomes for this at least one head is HT, TH and TT. So totally we have three favorable outcomes, 3 upon 4. Second one is find the probability of at most one tail. When we say at most one, which means 0 to 1. So the favorable outcomes for this case is no tail and one tail. We cannot take TT because it has 2. So the number of favorable outcomes is 3 and the probability is 3 upon 4. Third one is find the probability of a head and a tail. The favorable outcomes for this case is HT and TH. So it is 2 upon 4. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel Math with Meenakshi for more smart learning videos.